Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select social functions such as to start a private session, to listen to songs anonymously, or to share your songs with your friends on the Spotify application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the home icon down below, which is the first option. And now click on the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. You should scroll down till you find the social section and click on it. As you can see, you have three functions that you can activate or turn on. The first is the private session, meaning that you can start a private session to listen to songs anonymously, so no one will see the tracks or playlists that you are listening to. The second option is listening activity, meaning that you can share your songs with your followers on Spotify. And there's also the recently played artists function, meaning that you will be able to show your recently played artists on your public profile. So if you are interested in turning on any of these functions, simply click on the relevant button. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.